You are probably here because your channel has been demonetized or suspended due to inauthentic content, or you want to keep your channel safe from this emerging issue. In this video, we will show you exactly how to avoid inauthentic content and get your monetization or banned channel back. 1. Spice up your AI-generated videos. Before you upload your AI-generated videos on YouTube, edit them. Incorporate text, voice, and other elements to add more value to your videos. 2. Add variety to your video formats. Try to have different graphics and footage for each video, and avoid similar thumbnails, titles, descriptions, intros and outros, etc. 3. Stay away from only images and text videos. This is usually low-quality content, but if this is only what you can do, edit everything intensively, animating the content and adding sound effects and a high-quality voice. 4. Stop using clips that have been used everywhere. Get your own fresh clips, edit them properly, and you will not only avoid inauthentic content, but also the reused content issue. And with that, you can now easily identify your problematic videos, delete them, and replace them with authentic content. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating content on YouTube.